Hello team, welcome to our Mainframe DB2 tutorial. Please like and subscribe my channel. Let's start with today's topic is a SQL. SQL is a structured query language. It is a programming language for storing and processing information in a relational database. SQL commands are instruction. It is used to communicate with the database. Let's take one example. If you want to make any intelligent business decision, you need the proper data. In order to get proper data, you need to communicate with and query the data within the database. So at that time we use SQL. Why? Because it's provide perform the specific task, function, and queries of the data. SQL can perform various tasks like create a table, add data to table, drop the table, and modify table and set off the permission for the user. Next, we'll discuss types of SQL. There are four types of SQL which is used in a DB2. First one is the DDL. DDL is a data definition language. In data definition language, we use command, create, alter, and drop. Next one is the DML. DML is a data manipulation language. It's used for insert, update, and delete the table. Next one is the DCL. DCL is the data control language. Data control language in which we use revoke and grant command. Last one is the TCL, that is transaction control language. Here we work on commit and rollback. Next slide we'll discuss in detail. So first one is the DDL. DDL stands for data definition language. So in DDL we have three types of statement, that is create table, alter table, and drop the table. So when we create the table, it is used for create a new table, create a view, create a synonyms, or create an alias. We use create command. Next one is the alter table. So alter name it's specify like use for the change. That means it's change the properties of the table. So alter table, alter view, alter synonyms, alter alias, all we use in it. Last one is the drop. So in drop, we can drop the table, drop a view, drop synonyms, drop alias. So it is completely drop the table in the database. We can use alter storage group or a database, but that is done by DBA, not for a developer team. Next one is the DML. So DML is the data manipulation language. In DML, we have insert, update, select, and delete. So first one is a insert. Using insert, we can insert through a record to a DML. Using update, we can update a particular column based on a particular table. As we discuss in a delete command, delete table, that means is a part of DML operation, that is a logical delete. Last one is a select. So select is used to select all the columns from the table. We can select a particular column or a group of a column. Next we'll discuss DCL and TCL. So in DCL we have a data control language. So we provide grant, grant. So that means if you want to provide any access for a particular area or particular table or particular user. So DCL provide the access to a particular user or in a group or a public. We can also remove the access from use to revoke command for a particular user, or we can use for a group also. Last one is the TCL. So TCL stands for Transaction Control Language. So TCL operation cannot use directly. Rather than it's used for a COBOL DB to program. In TCL operation, we have a two steps. One is a commit and last one is the rollback. Commit is used in the application program to commit the change. If you want to change anything, you can use a commit. Or similarly, rollback is used to back out the change. That means if you want to back out, that means you can use rollback. That's all from today's. Thank you.